Starting a business in Florida can feel like a big thing at first. You may have an idea, but you may not know where to begin, how to register, how much it may cost, or what the government expects from you. In this video, we will make it simple. We will walk through why many people are starting businesses in Florida, then we will go step by step through how to start your own business properly. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Welcome back. Today, we are looking at how to start a business in Florida. Florida is one of the most active business environments in the United States. According to the U.S. Small Business Administration, Florida has about 3.5 million small businesses, and these businesses make up 99.8% of all businesses in the state. That means small businesses are not a small part of Florida. They are the heart of the state economy. So, let us begin with why Florida is attracting so many entrepreneurs. People are starting businesses in Florida because the state gives entrepreneurs many advantages. The first major reason is tax. Florida does not have personal income tax. This is important because it can help business owners keep more of their money, especially if they operate through structures like an LLC. The second reason is the size and strength of the economy. Florida has strong industries like tourism, real estate, healthcare, logistics, agriculture, e-commerce, and technology. This means you can build different kinds of businesses, depending on your skill, budget, and goal. The third reason is population growth. More people are moving to Florida, and when people move into a place, they need homes, food, healthcare, transport, services, entertainment, and many other things. That creates business opportunities. The fourth reason is location. Florida connects the United States to Latin America and the Caribbean. This makes it useful for trade, partnerships, logistics, and international business. The fifth reason is that registration is quite straightforward. Many steps can be done online, and if your documents are correct, the process can move quickly. Another important reason is that non-US residents can also start and own businesses in Florida. You do not have to be a US citizen to form a Florida business. This makes Florida attractive to global entrepreneurs. So, Florida gives you opportunity. But opportunity alone is not enough. You still need to follow the right steps. Now, let us go into the step-by-step guide. The first step is to choose a business idea. This sounds simple, but it is one of the most important decisions you will make. Do not choose an idea only because you like it. Choose an idea because people need it, people will pay for it, and you can deliver it well. A good business idea sits in the middle of three things: what you can do, what people need, and what can bring steady money. For example, if you understand cleaning services and you are in a city where many people use short-term rentals, that may be a good opportunity. If you understand online sales, e-commerce may be a good fit. If you have professional experience, consulting may work. Before you register anything, ask yourself simple questions. Who will buy this? What problem am I solving? How much will it cost me to start? Who else is already doing it? Can this business grow? This step helps you avoid wasting money on an idea that sounds nice but has no real market. Step 2. Choose the right business structure. Once you have a clear idea, the next step is choosing your business structure. Your business structure is the legal shape of your business. It affects taxes, ownership, responsibility, and protection. There are different options in Florida. A sole proprietorship is simple, but the owner and the business are not separate. This means if the business has a problem, the owner can also be personally affected. A partnership is for 2 or more people running a business together. It can work well, but responsibilities must be clear from the beginning. An LLC, which means limited liability company, is one of the most common choices for small businesses. It helps separate your personal assets from your business. This means your personal money, home, or belongings are better protected if something goes wrong in the business. A corporation is usually more formal and is often used by businesses that want investors or plan to grow very big. For many small and medium businesses, an LLC gives a good balance. It is flexible, protective, and easier to manage than a corporation. Before choosing, think about your risk, your tax needs, and your long-term plan. Step 3. Register your business name in Florida. After choosing your structure, you need to choose and register your business name. Your business name is more than just a label. It is how people will recognize you. It is part of your brand. It is also the name that will appear in official records. Your name must be available. Florida does not allow 2 businesses to use the same registered name if it will confuse people. So, before you fall in love with a name, search the Florida Division of Corporations database to check if it is available. Also think about your online presence. Is the domain name available? Can people spell it easily? Is it simple to remember? Sometimes, your legal business name and your public brand name may be different. In that case, you may need a DBA, which means doing business as. For example, your legal name may be Bright Future Ventures LLC, but you may trade as Miami Cleaning Services. Take this step seriously, because changing names later can create confusion. Step 4. Register your business with the state of Florida. Business registration in Florida is handled through the Florida Division of Corporations, also known as SunBiz. This is where you file your formation documents. If you are forming an LLC, you will file articles of organization. If you are forming a corporation, you will file articles of incorporation. You will need your business name, business structure, registered agent, and other required details. A registered agent is a person or company with a Florida address who can receive official legal documents for your business. You will also pay the required filing fee. For an LLC, the fee is usually about $125. Once your documents are submitted and approved, your business becomes legally recognized in Florida. Please be careful here. Small mistakes can delay approval. Make sure your name, structure, address, and details are correct before submitting. Step 5. Get an employer identification number. After registration, the next step is to get an employer identification number, also called an EIN. Think of an EIN like an identity number for your business. It is issued by the Internal Revenue Service, and it is used for tax purposes. You will usually need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and work with some suppliers or partners. The good thing is that applying for an EIN is free. For many people, it can be done online and received quickly. For non-US residents, the process may require extra steps, and in some cases, forms may need to be submitted manually. Still, the EIN is very important. Without it, many financial and tax activities become difficult. Step 6. Obtain the right licenses and permits. Now that your business is registered and you have your EIN, you need to check whether your business needs licenses or permits. This part depends on what you do and where you operate. Florida does not have one single general business license for every business at the state level. Instead, licenses depend on your industry, city, county, and business activity. For example, a restaurant may need health permits and inspections. A real estate professional may need a professional license. A retail or e-commerce business that sells taxable goods may need a sales tax permit. A home-based business may need local zoning approval. This is why you must check both state and local requirements. Do not guess. Call your city or county office. Check the official Florida business resources. If you skip this step, you may face fines, delays, or even forced closure. It is better to start slowly and correctly than to start fast and get stopped later. The next step is to open a business bank account. This is very important because your business money and personal money should not be mixed. When you mix them, it becomes hard to track profit, expenses, taxes, and cash flow. It can also weaken the legal protection you get from structures like an LLC. Most banks will ask for your business registration documents, your EIN, your personal identification, and sometimes your operating agreement if you formed an LLC. A business bank account helps you look professional. It also helps you receive payments, pay suppliers, manage records, and prepare for taxes. If you are outside the United States, opening a bank account may be more complex. Some banks may require physical presence, while some fintech or international banking options may support remote setup. Choose a bank that fits your needs. Look at fees, online banking tools, customer service, and how well it works with accounting software. The final step is setting up accounting and taxes. This is where many new business owners make mistakes. They start selling, but they do not track money properly. They forget receipts. They do not separate expenses. They do not plan for taxes. Do not do that. From the beginning, you need a simple system. Track what comes in. Track what goes out. Keep invoices, receipts, bank statements, and payment records. You can use tools like QuickBooks, Wave, or other bookkeeping software. You can also work with an accountant or tax professional. Florida has a business-friendly tax environment, but that does not mean you have no tax responsibilities. You may still need to handle federal taxes, sales tax, payroll tax if you hire people, and corporate tax depending on your structure. Accounting is not only for tax season. It helps you understand whether your business is healthy. When your numbers are clear, you can make better decisions. You know what is working. You know what is costing too much. You know when to grow and when to slow down. Starting a business in Florida becomes much easier when you follow the process in the right order. Florida has opportunity, but success still depends on planning, discipline, and execution. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. If you want the full guide, visit entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/how to start a business in Florida/ and read the complete article on how to start a business in Florida. Subscribe to this channel for more practical business guides, and follow entrepreneurs.ng for tools, insights, and resources that help entrepreneurs grow. Your business journey can start today. Take the first step. We are rooting for you.